Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Now that we've reached 10,000 subscribers, like I promised, we are going to do the $1,000 giveaway next Sunday on, let's take a look here, May 22nd at 8:30 p.m. We are going to have our giveaway live stream, so if you're a Discord member, congratulations, you're going to be eligible to win up to not up to 1,000, but we're going to be giving away $1,000 in prizes. And if that video that I posted yesterday, the one that says this is coming next, or the let's go Bitcoin with the 100% gain, if that video gets 100 likes, which by the way we're at 83, I'm going to be giving away additional prizes, lots of random stuff. So but it's all going to be good stuff. So if you guys want more free stuff, go like that video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into it. Once again, a big win. I wouldn't say big, but our position size was big, so a big congratulations to gold members once again, winning another 25%. I'm going to be adding that to the crypto trading crypto profit loss history, but let's just get into it. Right now Bitcoin is back to $31,016.11, getting a nice little rally near the end of Sunday. And we just printed our new daily candle on Market Cipher, which is looking quite good as we have a 22 and a -3. So I do expect a more upside for Bitcoin and the traditional markets. Again, you know, we've been selling off quite hard these last few weeks. You can take a look. We've had so many red candles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles in a row in the stock market. I think we might have some upside in the traditional markets, which would cause Bitcoin to be going up during the week as well. As we can see right now, the Nasdaq is up 81 basis points at the moment, so nice little move right there. Now, does Bitcoin go back up to new all-time highs? I don't think so, in my opinion. I think we're probably going to top out around 35,000 or 33,000. You know, it depends where we start to run into our resistance, but overall I don't expect this pump to, you know, I see a lot of YouTubers saying this is it, this is the bottom, you know, we're going to new all-time highs, this is the perfect trade ever, and we're going to go moon 90,000, you know, that's it. But the reality of the situation is that we still have a lot of economic problems, and you know, the economy is probably heading towards a recession. I think we are in a recession, to be honest. And the Fed is just raising the rates and the stock market's going down. When the stock market goes down, the crypto markets will go down as well. So, you know, there is that correlation. If anyone tells you otherwise, probably don't know much about the markets, but it is strongly correlated. And right now, you know, Bitcoin's starting to go back down, back to 30,900 again. But let's just see what happens. Again, if the markets open green tomorrow morning, then you're probably gonna get some upside. If they open in the red, then you know, we're probably gonna go down as well. But anyways, again, I still see some resistance coming right here on the Bitcoin chart around 35,000, where we did break down initially from this point, and then we started dropping like crazy all the way down to 26,000. If we do rally up, I think we might top out around there. But again, if we do break through this, we could still retrace back to the scene of the crime around 38,000 to 39,000, depends where we make our touch point. We can extend this this pattern. Actually, we'll just draw it a little bit bigger now, since we've actually broken down from it. There we go. Just make it a little bit nicer. There we go. So if we do come back up, we still have some major resistance. It's very possible that we get back up to 38,000, but you know, we'll just see how this plays out. We are at a bit of a trade at the moment, and we are in the red now because the markets are dropping. But just be careful, guys, when you trade these altcoins. They can definitely liquidate you very fast, as they move much faster than Bitcoin. And let's take a look at Terra Luna quickly. Let's take a look at that. There we go, another 12% up and then 50% down. It's absolutely insane. And so I don't even think you can leverage trade it anymore. But yeah, overall, crazy times. And let's just take a look at some altcoins right now. I had a request to take a look at GRT. I believe it was GRT on Binance. Yeah, I drew a trend line already, so someone was asking me to do some analysis on the Discord, so we'll just take a look at it right now. Again, I don't know anything about this token, but I can tell you that if we do start to come back up, you are going to see some resistance Oops, where's my trading panel? There we go. If we do come back up, you're going to start to see some resistance around 34 cents, at which point it's very possible that you get a rejection from there, and then maybe you start to come back down. Again, a pump to 34 cents from these levels. It may not look like a lot, but from these levels, it is a 73% pump in this token. Again, I don't know anything about this token. At one point, it was $2.50. I mean, a lot of these coins, when they initially, go into the market, and they're offered, they pump up really fast. This coin went up 19,000% from when it was offered on Binance, from less than the penny, I believe, and then the absolute moonshot. So again, it's absolutely crazy when these coins pump up and then they end up just crashing and then whittling down. Like, I can give you an example right here as well. I think SLP, there you go, it started popping off to to the upside like crazy, and now it's below a penny. This thing was at let's take a look here. This thing was at 41 cents at one point, so now it's down 99% since its inception. So just take that into account when you're buying these altcoins. Again, buying these in the bear market, sure, you might make a good chunk of money when the bull market comes and it starts to pump towards the upside. But if you're gonna trade these right now and you're buying these for the long term now, I believe Bitcoin hasn't bottomed yet. And let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Actually, we forgot to take a look at that. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, we now have a 16 and a -2, and we haven't bottomed out on the 4-week time frame that I was talking about. So it's possible maybe we do bottom out, and after 8 weeks, maybe the Bitcoin price will start to come down even more. Again, people think this is the bottom, or we're going to reverse towards the upside. In my opinion, I'm not too sure about that. I think we still have a lot more downside to come, but it's very possible that we get a short-term pump towards the upside this week. Anyways, let's keep going on our altcoins. Let's take a look at AVAX. I know someone's in the Discord isn't it traded at the moment. Again, it's not holding. It did end up holding 32 over the weekend, and we are starting to come back up towards the upside. Your next resistance point, in my opinion, where you could potentially start to take some profits, would be around these previous highs right here. You might want to be taking a look at that, which is around, let's take a look at that. We'll put a price marker right here, which is around $39.84, or basically $39. You might want to start to take some profits there. Atom again bouncing nicely off $8.92, coming back and actually breaking above $11 right here. Your next resistance point is going to be around $14, but let's just see if we do end up going to that level. Again, nothing is guaranteed in these markets. These are just support and resistance points where you could start to, start to take some profits. And taking profits is never a mistake. This weekend we made a nice little 25% trade. I exited my Bitcoin trade around 30,200, I believe, and that netted me a nice 25%. And yeah, I could have held it on, a little bit longer, but you know what I did? I guaranteed myself some gains by locking them in. And that's what you got to do sometimes. You just got to lock in those gains, because you never know what can happen in the markets. Maybe the coin's going to drop like Luna. Obviously, those are like once in a lifetime things that happen. They don't always happen. But yeah, you never know what's going to happen in the markets. Let's take a look at one more coin right here. I believe was Ava or Bitcoin Cash actually had a nice pump over the weekend, but I'm not taking a look at that right now. Let's take a look at Litecoin. If we do get a nice pump towards the upside, my next take profit for Litecoin, if you are in a trade at the moment, would be around $83. So you could definitely start to look at $93, but $83 would be your safest bet right there. So I'll just put some price targets for you guys there. Apparently the links are still not working in the Discord, so we'll work on that right after this video. And yeah, overall, if you guys haven't already, you guys can join the Discord. That's where I post all my trades, and that's where I post all my my charts as well. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin hash ribbons again. Nothing new, no capitulation yet. Again, it's a lagging indicator, but we'll see what happens. Bitcoin dominance is actually breaking out at the moment, so don't expect all coins to pump too much, but we'll just see what happens. You never know what could happen. Maybe the Bitcoin dominance breaks back down towards the downside. But yeah, overall, in my opinion, by the way, gold is an absolute buy at the moment, a great buying opportunity. I still believe gold is going to be the best performing asset of 2022, and we'll just see what happens. But I guess year to date, it's not up too much. We'll take a look year to date where it is at the moment. Year to date, I guess it's back at break even 0%, but still outperforming the stock market because stock market's down is down like over 22% at the moment. So still outperforming. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. Thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. We're gonna do that $1,000 giveaway. Don't forget to leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Love you guys. Peace.